How to edit and change your organization name on Godaddy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit and change it, easy and quick. First open your Godaddy, and then click this icon here in the top corner and click account settings, and then my profile. And now once you're here, click organization, and here you can edit it and change it, and that's it. Just type here anything you want, and now save, click update, and that's it. Then just go back and it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.